Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A03 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access General Management. Now click on Samsung Keyboard Settings, scroll down and select Theme. Then tap on the best one for you in order to apply it. So when I click and go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to try something more colorful, you can go into Play Store, click on the search bar and download Gboard. From Google Developer. When Gboard is ready, open it. Then choose Enable in Settings. Tap on this switcher next to Gboard and select OK in Attention pop-up. Following that, tap on the back button, choose Select Input Method and tap on Gboard on the list. Then click on Done. Following that, you need to close Gboard app and go into Devices Settings. In them, scroll down again, choose General Management and tap on Gboard Settings. Now select Theme section and scroll all the way down. Over here, you can choose Show More at the bottom right corners to see all available themes. Then tap on the best one for you. Manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher. And save your keyboard by tapping on Apply. As you can see, color of it has changed, but you can always customize it with an image by going into the same settings and tapping on this plus icon under My Themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right and click on Done. Lastly, manage keyboarders and tap on Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!